Hey guys, so this is how to use CapCut templates on TikTok. You need to have CapCut installed on your phone to use this, so go ahead and install it if you don't have it installed. And then go ahead and open up TikTok. And then if you look at the top right corner, you're gonna find this search icon. Click on it. And then in the search bar, just type CapCut templates. And then you're gonna find a lot of videos and a lot of accounts that use CapCut templates. So choose a template that you like. So the first one, for example. And then you're gonna find this button that says CapCut, try this template. So just click on it. Then click on use template in CapCut. It's gonna automatically open CapCut for you. Then after it opens CapCut, just click on the use template button at the bottom. Then you're going to need to choose the video you're going to use the template on. So I'll just choose a random video, for example. And then click on next. Then CapCut is going to show you a preview of the video and what the video is going to look like. So you can go ahead and export the video by clicking on the export button at the top right. And yeah, this is how easy it is. This is how to use CapCut templates on TikTok.